If you're bringing in over 100 new leads each week from your lead magnet ads, yet 95% of them never reply, never open, or never engage, that's actually not bad luck. It's actually a data issue hiding in plain sight. And in the next 3 minutes, I'm going to show you the exact reason why most lead magnets actually create passive leads, and then how to adjust it with just one simple step in your funnel so you can actually start daily messenger conversations with people who actually want to talk to you. And they want to talk to you about what you have for them. Wouldn't that be cool? Now, want to try this one step in your own business? If you drop the word fast below, I could send this simple walkthrough straight over to your messenger. Hello, I'm Tina Sandford. I'm actually the founder of Tina Sandford Video Ads, and we've been helping coaches and service providers since 2019 to actually transform their silent lead lists into book calls, and without having to change their offers or increase their ad spend at all. So simply by actually just changing how the first interaction is structured. Can you imagine that? But here's what the numbers reveal right now. When somebody actually clicks your ad and downloads a freebie and then gets instant access, they feel that they've gotten what they came for. You've been there, you know how that feels, and they're just keen for the resource. They don't come for a conversation with you. They're not expecting you to call them. They're not expecting any emails. We actually call these passive leads. And across the ad accounts we've run for our own clients, the lead magnet funnels that get these kind of passive leads average around 5% response rate, to be honest, meaning there's 95% more or less that actually ghost you. And the fix to this is what we call the fast funnel. And the good news is that you don't need to change your freebie. You don't need to change anything actually in itself if it used to work. You just need to actually just do something a little bit different at the beginning, which is repurpose your freebie with the following steps. So, ready? Got a pencil? Write down one clear sentence that names your freebie and the result it gives. I'm going to give you an example. Here's a checklist that helps coaches to get 5 booked calls this week. Do you want it? Okay. And then the second thing you want to do is run that sentence as a simple £5 a day engagement ad. I would use Facebook right now. It's the easiest one to set up. But you either do it as a text or you can do it as a short spoken reel. And then you just invite people to comment if they want it. Okay. Third step. This is the clever bit. When they comment, you say you're going to send them a message in Messenger with a freebie. You let them know it's you that's like messaging them on the reason why. But the thing is, the leads actually asked you to talk. And it's that small change that raises your reply rates to 30 to 40%. What happened? Well, you removed that gap between download and dialogue. They actually expected like a chat, and that's why they answer you. So now, you're now speaking with active leads instead of like chasing passive ones. Track it for yourself, yeah? If fewer than 1 in 10 leads ever respond, you're running a passive system. And then make a quick shift to the fast funnel to test that out, and then watch that response rate climb. And then you will finally see proof that your ads are sparking real conversations, that people actually want what you've got. And that is the only metric that matters then, doesn't it, before a sale? Now, if you want to try this for yourself, I've got one of these documents for this. And if you drop the word fast below, I'm going to send this to you for free in Messenger.